Hi, I'm Beth. Today I'm going to use PRAAT to show you how to record the front vowel E to find the frequency and the pitch. So this is a PRAAT simple tutorial to record your sound. PRAAT is very useful for SSD students to find the frequency clearly. So we can download PRAAT in this website, praat.com. So just click. We don't need PRAAT picture, so just close it. So I'm gonna record the high front wall. So just click new and record mono sound. So don't worry about the simply frequency. Whatever your computer defaults to, it's fine. So I just record it and stop it. E. So you can save to list or save to list and close. So I'm gonna rename it. So just rename for the front wall. You don't need to rename your sound file, so it's just to make sure you are not confusing if you have lots of files. So we just click View and Edit to see the sound. So like hear about it to make sure it's perfect or not. Yeah, it's perfect. So you can see the front and the back part are all silent, so you can cut it off. Click Edit and cut. And also for the back part. So we got a perfect sound picture. So it's very interesting that you found that's two parts of your sound. The top part is the time versus amplitude, and for the bottom is spectrum graph. And for our sound, I'm gonna show you how to find the pitch and the frequency and the intensity. So just click pitch and show pitch, and we got this blue line. You can see this blue line is our pitch sound. So my pitch sound is 188.5 Hz, and you're gonna be curious that the both side have the numbers. For the left side, from 0 Hz to 5000 Hz is for the spectrum graph, is for this graph, and the right side for the 75 Hz to 500 Hz is for the pitch. It's for the pitch. So this is our amplitude graph for the to the top part. You can zoom in. You can see this is a simple frequency. Also, you can zoom out. And for our intensity, you just click intensity and show intensity. You can see my intensity is almost 54 dB. and we can get more accurate intensity. Just click intensity and get instant intensity. Yeah, we can get most appropriate the intensity. So that's all part for the PRAAT simple tutorial to record the sound, to find the frequency and the pitch and the intensity for the high front wall E. So thank you for watching.